don't know what you think this is.
Sanibona igama uSimphiwe nginonathi la we come from Izibonele Printers and Design just like Zone 1. We operating internet cafe whereby we dealing design, printing and items that we're selling, as you can see. So we just introduced the t-shirt. Maybe you've got a month or so business, but we've been providing services for people that print t-shirt. We also have our own t-shirts that they can buy from us. We also have customers t-shirts with some funny
coaching and
good coaching, and so we came here because we're trying to extend the market here to expose it. Within the business, the challenges obviously finance, machinery, because it takes food equipment to do everything. Yeah. So now we just working on that baby steps, but we're heading there whereby we can be able to make a mass production, and the business is promising. It's coming right. We've got clientele. People are coming through. They buy in. They place orders for their graphic designs and stuff. So now we're just hoping Jobasila this will play a huge role at the same time. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. So, if you want to phone
Tina, like I said, we just based like Zone 1 Internet Cafe. It's Zibonele Internet Cafe. Contact it's 081 794 5915.
All right.
Yeah, and you can also get us a cafe. We always open 7 days a week. Yeah, anyone can come. It's open to everyone, even other people like Baba Pushy business. We are also able to help them with their products.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can sponsor my t-shirt out here.
Okay.
Yeah. T-shirt where music is live. Why music is live?
I'm trying to encourage people who are going through, and as you can hear, music is playing. It's gonna calm you down in many ways. Music is healing, music is teaching, and now I'm based the music because it relates to everybody, I believe. And so now we also have Amayama aside from, but the main brand that here is Fasa. Just introduced now. It's just a baby, so I'm working on it, checking on my mistake and see how people do by engage journey. But I'm hoping for the best, like I'm saying, always the positivity. And so here we've got like the good, best, like quality material. Colors, okay, for now are limited. As you can see now, we've got baby blue, your white, your black. We also keep our hoodies. We've got the beige color. As you can see, this one we just sticking on music on this one. So these ones are more customized label, if I may pull it. Also have, let me see. Also have this, hoodies, even good quality even.
Yes,
As you can see, just playing around, keeping ourselves busy, avoiding the negative stuff and all. Keeping these young ones busy, you understand? And also teaching them at the same time from designing, printing, and selling the products.
All right.
Yeah.
No, correct.
Yeah, as you can see, we just encouraging t-shirts.
Yes. Which have any life,
Yes.
Yeah, even in life. Vibrance here.
Yes.
All right. No, great. This is nice.
I'll be happy if people can just be open and come to us, whatever we can help with. Like I'm saying, we're dealing especially in printing and in all, like we do the printing of posters, we do printing of copies, and as you can see in the material.
Yes. All right. Okay, so njengoba uthe like if umuntu uyandinga, thini number?
Again, it's 081 794 5915. You can also get us on WhatsApp, and then our email is Zibonele Printers. Sorry, that's another one. ZiboneleCafe@gmail.com.
All right.
And then
Zone 1 Pimville,
Zone 1 Pimville, just like outline.
Great.
Next to Mkope Center.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Sure.